instructions and she's making it. Oh! I know I'm not going to win, but yes. Make your glue solution for slime glue, slime measuring beaker. Now add 20 ml tap water. What? How much do I have to add the glue? Do you know? Whole bottle. I don't think so. Oh yes. What to do? Hello, Mama. Please. She's making it very fast, and I'm just on step 2. See, it's step 1. Whoa, I'm adding it in the measuring beaker. Ooh, I don't know how much to add, but yes, I am. I'm adding. Hi, wee. I think that is fine. That much, I think. Carry on. I'm just coming. 20 ml. Oh, how much do I have to add? 20 ml. Now what to do? Oh, she's making it very quickly. I don't know how to do it. Now stir the slime. Mix fast. Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? What? Oh. Yo, 1, 2, 3. Mix it for 30 seconds. Okay. Isaac, 30. Yo, 30 seconds. Fine. Okay. Right. Let's do it. Mix fast for 30 seconds. Plastic bowl. I have to pour this in a plastic bowl. Yo. Huh? Doesn't it look like a loser? I'm not a loser. You are. Oh. The whole glue is on my hand. Oh my god. Whatever. Yes. Mixing bowl. What? Mixing bowl? Huh? Do I have to mix it again? Why do we just mix it? Mix it. I think my slime will be wait. I can add this. I can add this more. Put this on. Are you crazy, Isaac? Well, I am, I think. I am. Mix. Mix. See this? Let's add some more glue with this. Yo. Oh my god! A solution. It's not a solution. Yes, whatever.
Mixture.
Yes, it's turning into slime. Oh my god.
Why you always have to shout?
Huh? Yes. What is this? Now keep the untouched for 30 minutes. Are you joking? Yes, whatever. My glue solution is ready. Clear slime. Step 1 and step 2. What? Follow 1 and step 2.
Wow.
Oh, let's pour this thing into this.
Oh no, it's activate.
Yes, what? Oh shit. Why did you tell me? This is a competition.
I told you.
Why? Make your borax and glue solution in mixing bowl. Okay, I have to.
No. You have to add this.
Activator.
This is the activator.
You have to add this.
Yeah.
No, I have to add borax.
This
Why
is
are you
the correct
telling me?
solution. Okay.
Oh.
This is the activator.
So what?
Borax.
What should I do? I don't know anything. This isn't my first.
No. Oh, you're ruining the whole thing.
What?
You're supposed to add this, Isaac.
I don't know.
I've already made activator.
Oh my god! My hand! My hand!
Ah, little by little. Oh my god, way too much.
I don't know. I'm just making it. Step 3. Oh. Let's add some colors in this. Blue will be fine. Blue should be fine, I think. Yo, blue is good. Blue. Oh, I didn't mix it. I have to mix it. I have to mix this thing. Oh man, it's turning into slime, I think. Yes, it is! It's turning into slime! Oh my god! Oh,
It's still clear slime.
it's clear slime, I think. No,
Yes.
yes. Oh, I made my first slime, but I don't like this. Okay? I just don't like this. I don't like this.
I think someone is coming.
Let me see. I'm just coming, okay? Oh yeah. Okay, it's turning into slime, I think, man. Should I make it? Oh, I think my job is done. No. I'm just adding. Should I add color? Adding color in this thing. How to add it? Just go on. Yo.
Yeah.
Go on. Yo. I think it's color. Oh shit. Let's do this. Yo. Blue. Clear.
Wow.
Why is this very sticky? Why is this very sticky? Huh? Yo, I made my first slime ever. I'm better than her because I made it. In the first go. It's okay. I don't like this. It's like this. Mixing it. I'm mixing it. And it go. Turn into slime. Adding. Approx 2 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes are done. Huh? Oh! I think my slime is ready. Hey! Why are you helping me?
I'm not helping
Just
you.
concentrate on yours. I think.
What?
I think you're cheating. You were doing something with my slime.
No.
Guys, comment below if she was cheating. Okay? I don't know because I was out.
It was
for some time. Just some few seconds. My slime is gonna be. Yo! What? My slime, my slime. My slime, my slime, my slime. I do love my slime anyway. My slime, my slime, my slime. I don't love my slime anyway. Guys, she wants to become a singer when she grow up. Yo. I think my slime is done.
Maybe. No, do it like this.
I don't like this. Yo. My slime is done. Yo!
Lol.
What?
You're supposed to take it out and you have to knead it.
How to take it out? How to take this thing out? Like this. Yes. I'm the pro. I'm very good. Nobody can beat me. Even if it's Zion Chere, my sister. Yes. Oh, it's very sticky, man. Oh shit. This thing is very sticky. Should I add some? I don't like this. Oh. I have blue mustache. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah. Thank you for. Oh, my slime. I don't like this. Hey, I can prank someone with this. Like my nose. My nose.
Will you keep quiet?
No, I will not. Never. Never, ever, never, ever.
Shut up.
Shh. Oh. Miss Zion. I think I made my first slime ever. But it's very sticky. It is very sticky. See what is happening? But it's turning out like slime. Oh man, my hands. Oh my god. Let's see what her hands are clean. How? How is this even possible? Nothing is impossible. Everything is. Guys, what is this? I think I'm done. Are you done?
Kind of.
Kind of. Why? Why am I done? Okay. Done. Guys, comment below. Yes. Comment first. Comment below that was my slime better or her.
First, you have to
mine.
poke it.
It's mine. It's mine. Oh, it is.
What is this?
What? This is slime. Hey, you don't have. What is it? Huh? You very bad, huh? You didn't help me, huh?
Why would I?
I think, guys, we are done.
Yeah.
And I know I am the winner. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not a loser. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and please and please comment below that was my slime better or hers. I know mine.
No.
So press that bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a video. This is easy as done. I'm done.